If you're struggling to set up React, Vite, and Bootstrap, this video is for you. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any future updates. Let's begin. First, we'll create a new folder where we'll set up our React project. You can name it anything you like. I'm naming it React and Bootstrap for this tutorial. Now open this folder in VS Code. We'll run our first command to create a new React project using Vite. This command will ask you two things. First, the framework. Select React. Second, the variant. Choose JavaScript. Once that's done, Vite will give you three commands. The first command is to navigate into your project folder. Just copy and paste it into the terminal. The second command installs all the necessary Node modules. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. The third command is to open the project in VS Code if you're not already in it. Now, let's run the command. Arduino. Copy. Edit. npm run dev. This starts the development server, and you should see your React app running on localhost in your browser. If you can see the Vite plus React starter screen, everything is working fine so far. Now let's add Bootstrap to our project. Run the command to install Bootstrap. This will download and add Bootstrap to your project's dependencies. Once the installation finishes, open your package. JSON file. Here, you'll see Bootstrap listed under the dependencies. That confirms it's installed correctly. Next, we need to import Bootstrap's CSS into our project. Open the main.jsx file and at the top, add this line. JavaScript. Copy. Edit. Import Bootstrap, a dist, a CSS, a Bootstrap. Minute. CSS. This makes Bootstrap styles available globally throughout your app. Now let's check if it's working. Open your app. JSX file, remove everything inside, and paste the sample code that I've provided. This code contains a simple Bootstrap alert and a button. When you reload the app, you might notice that the content is sticking to the extreme left of the screen. That's because the default CSS in index. CSS is interfering with our layout. To fix this, open your index. CSS file and delete everything from it. Now, refresh your browser. You should see your content styled properly and centered with Bootstrap. Congratulations, you've successfully set up React, Vite, and Bootstrap in one smooth workflow. If this video helped you, give it a like. Leave a comment if you had any issues or suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe for more web development tutorials. See you in the next video.